Have you ever contemplated the profound connection between the choices you make and the impact they have on your emotional well-being? Nourish Your Emotions with Mindful Choices isn't just about decision-making, it's an exploration of how the choices you make can be a transformative journey toward enhancing your emotional health, promoting self-awareness, and ultimately leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as everyday as making mindful choices become a source of profound emotional nourishment, inner peace, and a deeper connection with your inner self and the world around you? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of mindful decision-making and its profound influence on your overall well-being. At the heart of Nourish Your Emotions with Mindful Choices lies the understanding that every decision you make is an opportunity to enhance your emotional well-being. Mindful choices promote self-awareness. They encourage you to reflect on your values, desires, and priorities, fostering a deeper connection with your inner self. They support emotional regulation. Mindful choices help you navigate your emotions and react to them in healthy ways, promoting emotional resilience and self-control. Mindful choices can enhance emotional intelligence. By considering the emotional impact of your decisions, you can better understand and manage your feelings, contributing to emotional well-being. They foster a sense of empowerment. Making mindful choices empowers you to take control of your life and emotional health, ultimately leading to emotional strength and satisfaction. Mindful choices encourage self-compassion. They allow you to approach your decisions with kindness and self-care, fostering a more balanced and fulfilling life. Mindful choices are an invitation to cultivate patience. They encourage you to explore your values, priorities, and overall well-being, ultimately leading to a more profound sense of emotional nourishment. Moreover, mindful choices are a tool for personal growth. They empower you to take responsibility for your emotional health, life satisfaction, and overall well-being, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. In conclusion, Nourish Your Emotions with Mindful Choices is an invitation to prioritize the profound connection between your decisions and your emotional well-being, self-awareness, emotional regulation, and a deeper connection with your inner self and the world around you. It's a reminder that the choices you make significantly impact your emotional state, promoting emotional well-being, self-compassion, and a more balanced and fulfilling life. By incorporating the practice of mindful decision-making into your life, you can unlock a lasting source of self-awareness, emotional resilience, and a profound sense of emotional nourishment that enriches your daily existence. So, with each mindful choice, every moment of self-reflection, and the awareness of the importance of mindful choices, envision it as an opportunity to enhance your emotional well-being, self-awareness, and a more balanced, fulfilling life, one mindful decision at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.